Hello everybody, this is Jose from the Stock Market 101 channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys haven't checked out my latest videos, I suggest you go check them out, and let's get right into the video. So I found this article online, the 9 best dividend stocks to buy for every investor. The following ideas are broken down into 3 sections, which is stable, mid-level, and high yield, which is speculative. Each stock has something to offer depending on how much risk you're willing to take. So we are basically going to go over the 9 best dividend stocks from this article and see if you guys want to incorporate any of these 9 dividend stocks. So let's get right into it. The first one we have here is Johnson & Johnson. And let's go over the charts real quick. For the 1-year chart, we have here a 7.76% gain, which is $9.88. And for the 5-year, 81.32%. And it has a market cap of 367 billion. A PE ratio of 319, which is really high, and a 2.38 dividend. If you love stable dividend stocks, you love Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is one of the most respected companies in the world. And the next one is Wells Fargo. Let's look at the charts real quick. For the 1 year, we have a gain of 18.19%, which is $8.83, and 5-year, 58.94%, which is $21.28. It has a market cap of 280 billion, a PE ratio of 14.5, and a 2.54 dividend. Wells Fargo was embroiled in a major controversy that shocked the entire financial and business community. Essentially, the banking giant admitted to creating more than 2 million fake accounts to meet ambitious sales target. But eventually, people got over this stuff, perhaps resigned to the fact that the major conglomerate always wins. Wells Fargo isn't going anywhere. Most importantly, Wells Fargo Co. spits out the biggest dividend yield among the big 4 at nearly a 2.6 dividend, as you can see there. And the next one we have here is ExxonMobil. As you can see here, as for the 1-year graph, we have a 6.52% gain, which is just $5 up, and the 5-year, which is 9.63% at $7.18. It has a $340 billion market cap, a 16 PE ratio, and a dividend of 3.66. Energy is hardly the most consistent sector. ExxonMobil has been on the wrong end of the market shakeup. Since the oil collapse of 2014, ExxonMobil has at best been treading water against prior highs. Investors should be encouraged by ExxonMobil's response to the oil market downturn. They and the remaining survivors have revamped their operation and rid themselves of unproductive assets. The next one we have here is Duke Energy. And let's check out the 1-year graph, which is down 0.92%, and the 5-year, up 55.77%. It has a market cap of 59.43 billion, a PE ratio of 20, and a dividend of 4.15. Duke is one of the best dividend stocks to buy right now. Duke is set to return more than 13% should its technical momentum hold. As it stands, the company is the 7th largest electricity utility company in the US. Furthermore, management has retired many of its coal power plants, instead focusing on natural gas and cleaner energy resources. Currently, although slightly riskier than your conservative dividend play, Duke Energy has the right balance between stability and income. The next one on our list is AT&T. Let's look at the 1-year chart. It is down 12.21%, which is $4.47. And let's look at the 5-year. It is down 5.53%, which is $1.88. It has a market cap of 233 billion and a PE ratio of 6.26 and a dividend just above 5. Keep in mind that between 1984 through 2016, AT&T's annual return average is more than 13%. More importantly, during this time, AT&T stock has only lost 8 times out of the past 33 years. When this year is over, the statistic will likely be 9 times out of 34. Even in that case, AT&T is a winner 73.5% of the time. And the next one we have here is Welltower. And let's look at the charts. The 1-year chart says it's down 5.95%, which is $4.20. And for the 5-year, we have it going up 37.60% at $17.99. And for the market cap, it has a $25 billion market cap, a PE ratio of 168, and a dividend yield of 5.46. Wellstock is a real estate investment trust specializing in senior care and facilities. I can't think of no other business where revenues are virtually guaranteed, save for a funeral home. Although Welltower's market performance has been a little choppy, in the long haul, Welltower has been a steady investment. In the trailing 10 years, shares have gained nearly 48%. And the next one is Blackstone Group. Let's look at the charts real quick. And for the 1 year, it's been up 17.83%, which is $5.33, and the past 5 years, up 129.33%, which is $19.88. It has a market cap of $23.88 billion, a PE ratio of 13.55, and a high dividend of 7.25. On the year-to-date basis, Blackstone gained nearly 18%, making it one of the top performers on the list. In the retail REITs, the next one we have here is Kimco Realty Corp. Let's look at the charts. At the 1 year, it is down 7.83%, which is $1.48, and the 5 year up 8.71%, which is $1.40. It has a $7.37 billion market cap, a PE ratio of 31.33, and a dividend of just above 6%. This is a risky game, but some retail sectors Amazon has trouble impacting. For instance, most people find it more convenient to size their clothing at a physical apparel shop than guessing online. In addition, some store brands offer better pricing or a better experience than Amazon. Think of the Walmart stores, Costco Wholesale, and Best Buy. Kim features multiple properties running highly demanded store brands. Moreover, a good chunk of their property are located in the lucrative markets. And last but not least, we have here is Southerly Hotels. Let's look at the charts. At the 1 year, it is up 33.53%, which is $1.86. And the 5 year, it is up 113.94%, which is $3.94. It has a market cap of only 103.49 million, no PE ratio, and a high dividend of 6.59%. Centered largely in the southern region of the US, SOHO provides an authentic, unique experience for its guests. Most millennials want brands to be more authentic and fits the SOHO to a T. Visit any of their locations and you feel like a welcomed member of a community, not just in some room number. Plus, former NFL star Herschel Walker sits on the board of directors. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know in the comments if you plan on purchasing any of these high dividend stocks. And let me know any more high paying dividend stocks that pay a decent dividend in the comments. But other than that, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.